Welcome to the Sankofa Pan-African series. We travel through history's corridors, illuminating Afrocentric narratives. Support us through Patreon or by buying me coffee. Your subscription is a great start, but do hit the bell for notifications so you know when we have new episodes. Share our videos and visit our website sankofastorybooks.com for stories, biographies, Afrocentric nursery rhymes, and other resources for children. Together can change the negative narratives about us. In November 2024, a monumental gathering in Niamey, Niger, became a powerful symbol of unity and defiance as thousands from Africa's Sahel region stood together to condemn Western imperialism. This event, rooted in the shared histories of colonial exploitation, celebrated sovereignty and supported military regimes that have decisively cut ties with France. With cultural displays and music at its heart, the rally underscored the growing demand for self-determination and the rejection of neo-colonial influences in the region. The Sahel region, encompassing nations such as Niger, Burkina Faso, and Mali, has long grappled with the legacy of colonial rule and its lingering effects on governance, economy, and culture. In recent years, these nations have seen a surge in anti-imperialist sentiment, driven by frustrations over economic dependency, perceived exploitation of resources, and political interference from former colonial powers. Despite these challenges, the people of the Sahel region continue to strive for progress and self-determination. Their unity in the face of adversity signals a new chapter in the region's history. The Niamey rally was more than a protest, it was a celebration of sovereignty. Participants, many draped in national colors, carried banners and placards with messages of unity, independence, and resistance. The event highlighted a collective aspiration to forge a future free from external domination, reclaiming agency over their nation's destinies. Central to the rally were vibrant cultural displays that celebrated the rich heritage of the Sahel. Traditional dances, music performances, and art exhibitions brought the region's diverse cultures to life, reminding the world of Africa's resilience and creativity. These cultural expressions were not just entertainment, they were declarations of identity, serving as a reminder of the strength found in Africa's roots. Musicians performed songs with themes of liberation and resistance, paying homage to the struggles of past generations. The melodies of traditional instruments blended with modern beats, symbolizing a bridge between history and the aspirations of a new generation. These performances underscored the rally's message. African nations are united, proud, and ready to chart their own course. The rally also underscored the political transformations sweeping the Sahel. Military regimes in countries like Niger and Mali have taken bold steps to distance themselves from France, including severing long-standing defense agreements and demanding the withdrawal of French troops. These decisions reflect growing discontent with France's failure to address security challenges in the region, as well as its ongoing economic and political influence. The rally's participants voiced strong support for these actions, viewing them as necessary steps toward true independence. For many, cutting ties with France is seen as a reclamation of dignity and a statement against the exploitation of resources and interference in governance that have hindered the region's progress. Art and music have always played a pivotal role in African movements for independence and liberation. At the Niamey rally, these creative expressions once again became powerful tools of resistance. Artists used their work to tell stories of struggle, resilience, and hope, amplifying the rally's message to both local and global audiences. Music, in particular, carried the spirit of the rally far beyond the gathering itself. Songs of liberation resonated through social media platforms, connecting people across the African continent and the diaspora. These cultural expressions are vital in sustaining the momentum of anti-imperialist movements, fostering solidarity and inspiring action. The Niamey rally is part of a larger trend across Africa, where nations are increasingly asserting their sovereignty and challenging outdated relationships with former colonial powers. From debates over economic reforms to the return of cultural artifacts, African nations are taking bold steps to reclaim their narratives and shape their futures. The rally also coincides with a global conversation about the impacts of colonialism and the need for reparative justice. As African nations advocate for fairer trade agreements, equitable resource management, and greater political autonomy, events like the Niamey rally demonstrate the growing unity and resolve within the continent. The Niamey rally is a testament to the enduring spirit of resistance and the power of unity. By standing together to condemn imperialism and celebrate their cultural heritage, the people of the Sahel have sent a clear message to the world. Africa is ready to define its own path. As the rally's songs, dances, and artwork echo across the continent and beyond, they remind us that the fight for sovereignty is not just a political struggle, it's a celebration of identity, history, and hope for a better future. For the Sahel nations and all of Africa, this is a moment to be proud of and a movement to support.